Fuso EDC11 red zip loader. Okay, no problem. Fuso. Alright, this the V8 Mitsubishi Fuso red zip loader truck. Good problem there. Okay, it's the Fuso EDC11 red zip loader. Okay, good day. I no problem there. Okay. Alright, the problem there is the red zip loader. I like to there. Okay, this the red zip loader. Like the problem there. Alright, Mitsubishi Fuso red zip loader truck. Okay, good problem there. Is the red zip loader truck. I like the problem there. Okay, good day. It's the red zip loader truck also. Right, the problem there. Alright, it's the EDC11. Right, good day. Good day. Alright, it's the red zip loader truck. Alright, the problem there. It's the Fuso EDC11. Number 1 at field corporation. Good day. Right, the problem there. Okay, good day. Okay, I'm there. Right, the problem. The problem is the red zip loader truck. Good day. I have the problem there. Okay, good. Is the red zip loader truck. Fuso. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.